Is your testosterone not where it used to be? Well, you're not alone. Studies show that testosterone levels in men have been declining for decades, dropping by about 1% per year after age 30. Testosterone is the primary male sex hormone. It regulates everything from energy and muscle mass to libido, motivation, and even your mood. But as we age, and with the added stress of modern life, many men experience low testosterone, leading to fatigue, stubborn weight gain, brain fog, and lower performance both in the gym and the bedroom. The good news, you can naturally support your testosterone levels. No needles, no pills, no gimmicks. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. M, your men's health and sexual medicine physician, and today I'm sharing 3 science-backed habits you can start today to reclaim your strength, vitality, and confidence. Let's dive in. One, strength training and high-intensity exercise. One of the most effective ways to naturally increase testosterone is through resistance training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Studies show that compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses stimulate a powerful anabolic hormone response, triggering a surge in testosterone. A study published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that men who engaged in regular strength training experienced significant increases in total and free testosterone levels. HIIT workouts, those short bursts of intense effort followed by rest, have also been shown to boost testosterone far more effectively than steady-state cardio. So if you want to build muscle, burn fat, and optimize your hormones, prioritize weightlifting and sprint-style training over long-distance running. 2. Improve sleep and reduce stress. If you're not sleeping well, you're leaving testosterone gains on the table. Testosterone production peaks during REM sleep, which typically occurs in the second half of the night. When your sleep is cut short, or poor in quality, your testosterone levels take a direct hit. A study published in JAMA found that men who slept only 5 hours per night had testosterone levels that were 10 to 15% lower than those who got 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep. And then there's stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. Cortisol not only suppresses testosterone production, it actively competes with it in your hormone pathways. To manage stress, incorporate simple habits like meditation, deep breathing, or even a 10-minute walk in nature. Anything that calms your nervous system will help support healthier hormone balance. So remember, deep sleep and low stress aren't just good for your mood, they're testosterone-saving tools. 3. Eat more healthy fats and zinc. What you eat has a direct effect on your testosterone levels. Your body needs healthy dietary fats, especially monounsaturated and saturated fats, to produce testosterone. Avoid trans fats and processed oils, which are known to decrease testosterone and damage vascular health. Focus instead on avocados, extra virgin olive oil, whole eggs, nuts and seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Next is zinc. Zinc is essential for testosterone synthesis and plays a role in the function of the Leydig cells in your testes, the very cells that produce testosterone. Oysters, pumpkin seeds, beef, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of zinc. And don't forget about vitamin D. It's technically a hormone, and low vitamin D is strongly linked to low testosterone. You can get it through moderate sun exposure or through supplementation. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that vitamin D supplementation led to meaningful increases in testosterone levels in men with low vitamin D status. So when it comes to your diet, focus on nutrient-dense whole foods and avoid refined carbs, processed oils, sugar, and excessive alcohol, because those are all testosterone killers. Here's the bottom line. You don't need extreme diets or prescription drugs to support your testosterone. What you need is a consistent commitment to the right daily habits. Train hard and smart, sleep deep, stress less, and fuel your body with testosterone-friendly nutrition. These small changes stack up. Over time, they'll help you feel stronger, sharper, and more alive, without needing to rely on medication. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more weekly content on men's health and peak performance. And drop a comment below. What's one habit you're going to start today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.